Hello friends, welcome to GNext group. Today in this video I will tell you about top 10 herbs that are best for your diabetes treatment. These herbs are scientifically studied for their anti-diabetic properties. Many clinical trials on humans and animals shows that consuming these Ayurvedic herbs along with your medications like metformin can help you a lot in controlling your high blood sugar levels. These herbs are full of many beneficial compounds and antioxidants which have anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, anti-allergic, anti-malarial and anti-diabetic properties. So without any further delay, let's begin the video countdown with number 10 herb, which is Costus igneus. Costus igneus, commonly known as insulin plant in India, is well known for its anti-diabetic properties. It is believed that consumption of its leaves helps in lowering blood glucose levels. Recently, a number of researches have been carried out to evaluate the anti-diabetic potential of this plant. One research done on insulin plant found that the diabetic patients who took one fresh leaf or 1 teaspoon of set-dried leaf powder in the morning on an empty stomach without discontinuing their past treatments for diabetes reduced their blood sugar levels from day 15. Many patients who had non-healing leg ulcers and recurrent urinary tract infections reported that their problem resolved within 15 to 60 days of regular consumption of its leaves. Therefore, we recommend you to consume its leaves daily to start noticing improvements in your sugar levels. Number 9. Aloe. Aloe, also known as Stenospora cordifolia or guruchi, is a herbaceous vine and is used for centuries in Ayurveda to treat various disorders. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, anti-malarial and anti-diabetic properties. An alkaloids present in this valuable plant known as berberine has been studied extensively for its anti-diabetic effects and has been found to have a blood sugar lowering effect that's similar to the drug metformin, which is used to treat diabetes. Therefore, to see effective result, drink aloe juice, which is prepared by blending its stems and leaves together. Number 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon bark can improve your blood glucose levels and may also reduce risk factors associated with diabetes. In one study reported in the July 2000 edition of Agricultural Research magazine found that consuming just 1 gram of cinnamon per day can increase insulin sensitivity and help manage or reverse type 2 diabetes. In addition, one more analysis published in 2007 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that 6 grams of cinnamon slows stomach emptying and significantly reduces hyperglycemia after meals without affecting satiety. Number 7. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are very helpful for people with diabetes. These seeds are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower blood sugar by slowing down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. A study published in the International Journal for Vitamin and Nutrition Research found that a daily dose of 10 grams of fenugreek seeds soaked in hot water may help control type 2 diabetes. In another controlled trial, incorporating 15 grams of powdered fenugreek seeds into a meal eaten by people with type 2 diabetes reduced the rise in post-meal blood glucose level. Number 6. Ginseng. Ginseng is a well-known herb which is used for its medicinal properties. Its roots extract has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to improve blood circulation, relieve stress, and to help control blood glucose level. Several animal studies have found that ginseng processed products or individual ginsenosides regulate blood glucose in diabetic mouse or rat models. Its berry extracts increased insulin secretion to improve glycemic control in diabetic patients. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory medicinal herb which has been used for centuries to aid digestion, combat the common cold, and relieve pain. When it comes to diabetes, many scientific studies on ginger support the possible benefit of ginger in a diabetes diet. A study published in the August 2012 edition of the natural product journal Planta Medica suggested that ginger may improve long-term blood sugar control for people with type 2 diabetes. Therefore, try to include some ginger in your daily diabetes diet plan. Number 4. Oregano. This herb is packed with many healthful polyphenols and flavonoids that help in lowering blood glucose levels. Many scientific researches on oregano plant have shown that this herb contains diabetes-fighting compounds that could provide a natural way to manage type 2 diabetes. According to a new study published in American Chemical Society's Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, this herb is rich in antioxidants and essential enzymes like polyphenols, and their regular consumption can be a natural way to lower glucose levels in the blood. Number 3. Curcuma longa or turmeric. Turmeric, which is made from the root of the plant Curcuma longa, has been used for centuries as a natural medicine for pain relief, improved digestion, and liver function. The most useful compound, curcumin, is present in turmeric and has an anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic effect. A 2013 review of studies suggests that curcumin can decrease the level of glucose in the blood as well as other diabetes-related complications. Researchers found that the active compound curcumin may have a role in diabetes prevention. Number 2. Salacia oblonga. Salacia oblonga or saptarangi is a woody shrub that is known for its superb anti-diabetic and weight loosening properties. The bark of this shrub constituents salicylic and codolenol, which help in controlling blood sugar level in type 2 diabetes patients. One research study done at Ohio State University reports that researchers gave extracts of the herb Salacia oblonga to 39 healthy adults, and the result shows decreased insulin and blood glucose levels by 29 and 23% respectively. Diabetes patients can take saptarangi by making powder of its root extract and take 1 or 2 grams of its root powder daily to control diabetes. Number 1. Curry leaves. Curry leaves, popularly known as curry patta in India, is an aromatic plant which adds a distinct flavor to a variety of dishes. Apart from adding flavor, these leaves are also very beneficial in managing diabetes. Several scientific researches on curry leaves confirm its effectiveness in controlling high sugar levels. A research study published in the Pharmacy, an international journal of pharmaceutical sciences, showed that the anti-hyperglycemic properties of the leaves were beneficial in controlling blood glucose levels in diabetic rats. The study further mentions that curry leaf extract was more effective than a certain anti-diabetic drug. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel GNext Group.